paano ba ang titig? Paano ba ang expression ng
Hindi
isang
konsam?
makasalanan? How would you do it?
Siguro pag makasalanan ka, nag-overthink ka eh. 'Di ba? Na ano kaya, baka mahuli ako. So siguro parang may tumitingin kang ganun.
That's
Para,
interesting.
para mag-stutter ka kapag nagsasalita ka kasi hindi ka sigurado eh. Baka
Yeah,
ganun.
gusto ko yung point na nag-overthink ka kasi ayaw mo magkamali.
Yeah.
And in the process, nagkakamali ka kasi you overthink.
Yeah.
Yung nang-aakit.
Ng akin. Iba yun. Siguro, titingin ka ng ganun. Tapos gaganon ka. I'm so awkward when it comes to these things. I'm so awkward.
No.
Yeah.
That's part of being
Being an actor.
Yeah, right. Namumula ka eh. Nung isang linggo naging bisita namin dito si Sanya. Sanya Lopez po plays Mila. Siya
Yeah.
po ang, kung tama ho ako, ang kanyang titulo dito sa pelikula ay parang Kabit ng Bayan.
Yeah.
But you have to find out why. Kasi may kwento ho dito kung bakit siya tinawag na ganito. At syempre, may journey din siya ng kanyang sariling pagbabago.
Exactly.
Pero ang napag-usapan namin ni Sanya, it was interesting kasi hindi niya naisip, correct me if I'm wrong ha, Ardy, parang hindi niya naisip na andyan pa rin talaga ang rabid Barda fans.
Oh, yeah?
You know, and there are even people who, not of course the Barda fans, but who call her love team Slayer.
Yeah.
Did you talk about it? Or did you and Barbie, for example, talk about it? Na napaka-solid talaga ng Barda fans. No?
Well, the great thing about Sanya, hindi niya, parang medyo wala siyang pakialam when it comes to those things. Like, she knows na, okay, this is part of the job. Like, I am partnered up with a person who has a love team. Then, it's okay. I mean, feelings nila yun. Diba? Yun yung maganda kay Sanya, na parang hindi naman siya affected talaga. I actually asked her if, parang, how do you feel about it? Ganyan. Sabi, no, it's okay, wala yun. Ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, I said sorry. Sabi ko, sorry if like, baka may mga nag-bash sa'yo because of us, because of me, dahil partner tayo dito, gano'n. And she was really cool about it. And wala, tinawanan lang namin.
Pero ang ganito, kasi napapag-usapan.
Yeah.
You have to talk about this.
Yeah.